In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools within Canva, a fantastic resource for creating stunning visuals effortlessly. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through each important feature to help you make the most out of Canva's capabilities. First, you'll want to navigate over to Canva's official website, canva.com. Once you're there, sign in using the credentials linked to your account. You can do this by clicking the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. If it's your first time, don't worry, you have multiple options. Log in with Google, Facebook, or simply with your email address, whichever you prefer. Now that you're signed in, you have two pathways. You can either dive into creating a new design or open a project you've previously worked on. This is where the real magic begins, literally. Canva's Magic Studio is your main hub for their AI tools, easily accessible from the main menu. If you're having trouble finding it, you can use the search bar and it will pop right up. Within the Magic Studio, you'll find a variety of AI-powered apps designed to enhance your creative process. One standout feature is Magic Media, which lets you generate impressive images and videos based on your text prompts. Additionally, Magic Write is there to assist with text generation whenever you need a spark of inspiration for your content. Speaking of creativity, Magic Design is another key tool you'll want to explore. It provides you with a wealth of design ideas and templates generated from simple text prompts. This feature can be incredibly useful if you're working on presentations, videos, or any other designs, and are in need of a fresh perspective. Let's focus a bit on Magic Media. You'll find it under the Apps section. Once there, you can enter any text prompt you desire, perhaps a theme or specific imagery, and hit Generate. With just a click, Canva will bring your vision to life by generating visuals that you can seamlessly incorporate into your design projects. For those text-based projects, tap into Magic Write, which can be found in the toolbar or by clicking its icon. Enter your prompts here and let the AI provide you with well-crafted text. Remember, whether these are complete drafts or starting points, you have the choice to edit and refine them to perfectly align with your vision. Lastly, don't forget about the handy image editing tools such as Magic Eraser, Background Remover, and Magic Switch. These allow you to tweak your visuals by removing unwanted elements, adjusting backgrounds, or even switching out components to better fit your creative needs. Each of these features is intuitively designed to enhance your productivity and creativity. So dive right in, experiment with these tools, and watch your designs come to life in ways you hadn't imagined before. That's all for today's tutorial on using Canva AI tools. Have fun creating, and see you in the next video.